Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today, what to tell? And every day there is a big candle, and every day I am saying the market will be inside candle, and every day it is breaking either on the lower side or upper side. And today, who thought? And today we gap up around 16,120. Then market started falling, and first it broke yesterday's closing, again it broke yesterday's low, and then after that it was a free fall, and Nifty future even broke 15,900. And usually I always say if the market is very volatile, and that expiry will also favor the bears. And today morning it was very clearly it has favored the bears. But since morning, the Bank Nifty was doing very well, and the Bank Nifty consistently trading in green only, but the selling in other non-banking stocks, particularly auto stocks, Reliance mainly. Reliance has fallen 100 rupees from yesterday high to today's low and dragged the market so much down. And then, nobody expected 15,900 to be broken in futures. And like always, expiry day volatility will be there. And today, a lot of people would have made very huge profit, and a lot of people would have lost huge amount of money playing this market. So once the Nifty future broke 15,900, but Nifty future broke 15,900, not the spot. Spot was very close to 15,900, and then came probably supported by domestic institutions, a very powerful short covering rally, and it was unimaginable, and Nifty fell 200 points, and then from the low it has shot up 300 points. It was a 500 point swing, and when the global markets were so silent. So this is the nature of market, and it was highly volatile. But at the end of the day, India VIX has fallen about 10%. And good thing is that today, for the third day in a row, HDFC twins were two among the top 5 contributors for Nifty. And the financials, it's all the way financials. And HDFC Bank, HDFC, Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank, so all the banks did very well. And State Bank of India shot up 5% from intraday low to intraday high. And same with all the PSU bank index. So yesterday there was a broad-based selling, and today it's a broad-based buying. So in the morning, auto stocks were very weak. Probably the crude prices are higher. But then afternoon that also started seeing a short covering rally. So now coming back to the big question, will this rally sustain? And this rally is definitely, it is a short covering rally. And at closing, maybe weighted average closing may be lower, but the actual closing was above 16,200. So from 15,900 it went to 16,200. So this is such a powerful rally, but remember, this is just a short covering rally. So this is not, the markets did not go up because some people have bought it. And the people who have shorted, they wanted to buy, there was nobody else to sell, and that's why the market went higher. So probably domestic institutions would have bought. So since I'm going out, I'm recording this video around 4:30. So FII data will not be there, but I'm sure FIIs would have sold. And finally, a treacherous month, May series, has come to an end, and Nifty has lost more than 1,000 points in this series, and FIIs have sold second highest selling, more than 50,000 crore. And in the May series, they have sold more than 53,000 crore. But May month, we still have a few more trading sessions. So definitely, they would have sold more than 50,000 crore. So this is the second highest selling. And, so we have to wait for few more days and to see whether this is a short covering rally or the really market turns around. So as of now, our market is still 15,700 on the downside and 16,400 on the higher side. So it has been hugely volatile between these two ranges. In fact, for the last 2 weeks, just go and check last 10 trading sessions. How many times it went to 16.4 and how many times it came back to 15.7, and too many times. So this is just a huge volatile market. So if you are a trend follower, wait for 16,400 to be taken out on the higher side or 15,700 to be broken on the downside. Right now the US features are good. So today's fall as well as rise, we have to write it off, and we have to see if tomorrow and Monday to see if there is any meaningful recovery in our markets. So hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.